welcome back. Just doing a little video on my tomatoes that are nearly finished, but there's still a couple that are hanging on. So what I've done is I've taken the one out of a bucket and I've just whacked it onto my pipe to see if I can get a little bit more out of it. And hopefully we will see. What I'm doing is taking off these lettuces that have gone to seed. So there's another one that's gone to seed, so I'm just taking these out. The root ball system on them. Nice, clean, looking good. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'll just pull another one out of here so you can actually see what's going on. Where are we? I'll take this one here out. This one. Another one. There's the root ball system on it. So yeah, still growing. Just put that back in there for now. Still growing. But yeah, they've gone to seed, so they're coming out. So yeah, as you can see, that's how they grow. It's not, apart from the weather messing them up and going to seed, they actually grew pretty well. And the capsicum is still going alright. Looking really good. Nice red one there. And this is just a normal 4-inch pipe. Water runs in at that end with the nutrients. Comes down this end, as you've seen on all my other videos. Comes down into here. Out that little hole there. Cap that goes over. A bit of 4-inch pipe, set down the middle. A little bit cut off so it fits over easy. And the water goes from there down this way. And into my blue barrel. Into that blue barrel. We've got a 4-line air pump in there at the moment. There's a little fish pond pump pumping the water out. Goes out there, up there, across the swing, down to the other end. Now I'm going to change all this out to a different setup where I've just got a square trampoline base and I'm going to run pipes along that and grow that way instead of trying to grow that way. And this pipe will become my cucumber tomato pipe on a different thing. And I'm also going to go into hydroponics. I've just got a 1,000-litre container for a fish pond, and I'm going to go into that as well. So that's what's happening at the moment. But yeah, let's just see if this tomato will take back off again. Poor things have been hit so hard by the weather. So let's just see what happens with it. Okay folks, that's it for this video. Cucumbers are going fine. Another big cucumber there. Nice big cucumber. Lots of little cucumbers on there. Another one there. Another one there. There's a few up there. A couple of more up there coming. So yeah, they're still going along alright. So yeah, still got my little weird one down the bottom here. I'm not sure why he went like that, but he went a bit weird on me. So that's what's happening. I'll leave it at that, folks. Hope you're having a really nice day, and I shall catch you next video, which will be showing bits and pieces for my new design and how it's going. Okay folks, I'll catch you later.